Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix wrong resolution and scaling issue in Windows 11. Let's start the video. The first step you can try is right click on your desktop, then click on this option display settings, click on it. In this display settings, first you have to check display resolution. So this is the option we need, display resolution. So you have to select the recommended one. Okay, so there are so many options, but you have to select the recommended one. Okay, after that, in this scale option, you have to select the recommended option. Okay, after that, click on this scale option. In this related settings, you will see this option text size, click on it. So you can increase or decrease your text size from here. I will show you. So if I increase my text size, click on apply. So this will change. Okay. So you can use this method as well. Now move on to the next step you can try if you are still getting the same issue. Restart graphics driver. For this, you have to press Windows key, Control key, Shift key and B button. So you have to press all the 4 keys together. So this will restart your graphics driver. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Update your display adapter. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Now here you will see this option display adapters. Expand this option. So this will show you your display driver. So right click on it, then go to properties, then click on this option, this tab driver. If problem started after update, in that case you can use this option rollback driver. So this will roll back to the previously installed driver. Okay. The next step you can try if you are still getting the same issue, update your driver. So click on this option update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update your graphic driver. Click on close. After that, restart your system and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is uninstall device. So click on this option uninstall device, then click on uninstall, and after that restart your system and check. The next method you can try is again right click on your desktop, then click on this option display settings. In this display setting, scroll down, then click on this option advanced display. Make sure the correct monitor is selected if there are multiple options. And you can also select the different refresh rate. So if you have multiple options, select the different refresh rate. If you are still getting the same issue, the next method you can try is update your operating system. So on the left side, click on Windows Update. Now check for updates. One more important thing you can do is click on this advanced option, then click on this option optional updates, click on it, then click on this option driver updates. So you can update your drivers from here as well. So you have to just tick this option, the available drivers you have, then click on this option download and install. So these are the few steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.